Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. We got a video for you today outside. It's actually spring, it's getting nice, the snow is melting, so why not do a video outside? So today we have a 26 Keystone Cougar 29 MBD. So stats are gonna pop up at the beginning of the video. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. If you're not used to seeing our lot, get ready to see it some more because we got a lot of inventory, we got a lot to show off. But we'll get you around the outside, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So once again, 29 MBD. Nice redesign on that Cougar front cap. This has the Kurt Helix hitch. So what we'll do is we'll actually hover over some of the basic information here for you guys. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. Coming on forward, you can see we got old trusty out today because batteries are installed at the time of purchase. Propane is filled. Spare tire, battery disconnect, TPMS sensor, solar disconnect, solar charge controller, everything all in one convenient location. And then this unit does have inverter prep to it as well. So this is also a bunkhouse, but more on that once we jump on to the inside. Propane on one side, and you'll have your propane tank on the other. Looking at the massive amount of storage underneath, this does have the electronic leveling as well as your front cap lights, your hitch lights, and your dump lights here. Off to the right of that, winterizing, city water connection, your tank flush. What I'd really like about this is everything is in one convenient location. Moving on forward with that, to the right, you'll have your endless hot water heater, and your furnace will be right next to that as well. So, slide number one, we'll get a look at the wheels and tires here. Double axle. Hovering on up, nice large windows. Coming on to the back here. So first thing I want to mention is you do have a hitch from the factory. We'll have our 50 amp service here, ladder to get up on your walkable roof with our backup camera prep there. So you can outfit this with a backup camera to make parking it a lot easier. Hitch from the factory, I believe, is 3,000 on this. I'm sorry, maximum capacity is 300. Take off an extra zero from that 3,000. 300, we're good to go. Coming on around slide number two. So it was pretty foggy, pretty rainy earlier. You do have power awnings on this, so I don't have them out at the moment, but again, power awnings. You can see we'll have up top, if the camera picks it up there, wine guard antenna, and you do have solar on this unit as well to help trickle charge that battery. Looking on the reverse side of that pass-through storage, power cord, outdoor shower attachment, fully washable area here too, makes cleaning this a heck of a lot easier. LED light strip. Off to the left, you'll have an inverted outlet, all of your cable hookups here if you want to do some TVs. You have covered awning switches, so if you don't want to go inside, sounds like I'm echoing a lot. If you don't want to go inside and use the control panel, you can extend and retract your awnings from outside. So, walking on to the inside, we'll have our nice new solid step here to brush off any debris or any sand. But coming on in, so I'm going to start off with the kitchen. Yes, you're going to see some sawdust. This unit just got here, but I'm going to say lots of storage, and you'll probably hear me say that a ton, but a lot of counter space. You're going to notice a lot of windows right away. Just standing here kind of gives off a homey vibe, kind of like a cabin, if you will. So I'm going to start off with the storage up top. And these are soft closed drawers as well. Some more storage there. Plenty of room, deep storage back there, cups, plates, and bowls. We'll take a look at that microwave. I'm gonna move these out of the way. So you've probably heard me say it in a lot of my videos before, but plenty of room for device charging outlets. But you actually have a tower of power in this one too. But lots of counter space. Keystone owner's manual in here as well, along with the QR code, so you can pull everything up on your phone. Deep storage drawers. Plenty of room under the sink, and actually, I'll have my cameraman actually kind of point in the back corner over there because this goes back quite a ways, and those are just the sink covers there. But you have tons of room for cleaning products to keep your Keystone Cougar nice and clean. More storage there. Lights underneath. We'll get a look at the oven. little bit more storage for some smaller pans, if you will. 3-burner cooktop. Another tower of power. Detachable faucet. But endless opportunities over here. But shifting on over, this is slide number 1. But sitting down on the couch, you do have your recliner here too. TV's right in front of me. Air conditioner's right up above my head. We got the speakers here, so if I wanted to pair via Bluetooth, I can do that. And once I'm not so lazy and feel like standing up again, I'll show you where that's at, but might as well do that now. So, dinette also comes down into a bed, so perfect spot to quickly eat and then relax on the couch. But speaking of couch, I didn't show the fridge that's off to the side. Fridge and freezer. More storage underneath. But I just mentioned Bluetooth pairing your phone. You're going to have that set up right off to the upper portion of the dinette there. A little bit more storage. And you guessed it, a little bit more storage. So plenty of device charging outlets behind the dinette as well. When we're going over this unit, it seems like it's small. And again, I've said that probably a million times in my videos before, but it's actually pretty wide. I have plenty of room in here. But moving on forward, because we're not done yet. Because like I said, this is a bunkhouse. But lots of room to work with. But speaking of bunkhouse, let's move right on into that bunkhouse. So this is where your other slide is. So the first thing I want to mention is, again, it seems like it's small, but you have a ton of space in here. So television mounting bracket's going to be up top there. So if kids, they have their TV and they want to hook up a game station, whatever they might bring along, plenty of storage for clothes. This is their own private getaway. More storage there. Plenty of space down below for shoes if you wanted to do that. Bunk number 1, you got a nice window there. Bunk number 2, table right alongside me, because even if you have a laptop and you want to game on your laptop, you can do that. Device charging outlets here, device charging outlets there, and device charging outlets up top. But what's really cool about this is you actually have a third bunk down here, so if you have an extra guest or friend, they can just crash right here. And that just seamlessly pulls right back in, or folds right back in. But super functional bunkhouse. I really like the layout of this. It's super cool. Spots over here for your coats and jackets. Shoe storage underneath. I can sit down. I can put on my shoes, my boots, hiking shoes, whatever it might be. Little pantry here. Fuse relay box down below. Control board's going to be right here, so no touch screens, all physical buttons. And then you have dimmer switches scattered throughout. I'm not going to press these right now because it might affect the camera, but dimmer switches throughout so you can dim the lights. Heading on into the bathroom, so I'm 6'1", so I'm pretty tall, but nice large medicine cabinet. Lots of space on the bathroom sink. These drawers are all the same, so I'm going to just show the one. Decent storage, again, just like the kitchen. Tons of space down here for cleaning products. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Lots of room for towels, things like that. And then, so if you are tall, just be very careful of this. Yes, I'm bonking my head on it. I'm not hurting myself. But you will have to do one of those. But once you're in the shower, the skylight, you don't have anything to worry about. Once again, when you are walking out, just be careful. Do not do this. Take a step down and easily walk out. Walking on into the bedroom, so you'll have a nice king-size bed on this one. Air conditioner in here as well. Plenty of storage underneath the bed. You can see off to the right and left here, so you'll have inverted outlets. Much more device charging in here. I'm gonna step around over here. I don't know if I can really open that as much, but you'll have a tiny little secret stash for your snacks. Plenty of room right there. More room up top, and this goes the full length of the side there. Another mounting bracket for your TV, so if you want to watch TV in the bedroom as well, just hook up a TV. This unit is prepped for washer and dryer, so this will most likely be a 2-in-1. So you just take out this top cupboard here, and you can throw a washer and dryer 2-in-1 combo in here. So, but again, there's another outlet in there if you don't want to use it as such. But storage up top, storage down below. Plenty of storage. Again, deeper storage drawers, socks, underwear, jeans, all the fun stuff. More storage there. So functional bedroom, but if you've seen a Keystone Cougar before, you've seen these bed types of layouts before, but a lot of people really like that Keystone bed, king size bed, but different type of mattress on here too. So kind of more of a soft plush mattress. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a mattress come from the manufacturer and it feels like a cement slab. So really comfortable mattress. But walking down the stairs, doing one final overview here. Again, nice bunk space here for friends, kids, whoever really, but cool little hangout zone. But that's going to do it for this video. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth. All of my information is going to be in the description box down below, so feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm happy to set up an appointment with anyone who is watching this video, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Once again, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. We'll see you in the next one.